just cotton candy clouds.
So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys these inches that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by ALIJULIA. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, divas, without further ado, let's jump right into the video for all the details and the specs. Okay, divas, so jumping right in, this package came from DHL. Today we are working with Julia Hair. So here's how the box looks, and I think it's so freaking pretty. I love the pink and the blue detail. But anyways, I'm going to unbox. It did come with a wig cap as well as an adjustable elastic band, which is really nice. I did not install that. And then it also comes with an extra comb, but I think it's nice that it comes with it. And then your wig, of course. We got 26 inches. But the hair smells really good straight out the box too, and it's really soft, so I really did like that. So anywho, here's the inside the cap construction. It is average to big head friendly, okay? Like, this wig can work, okay, on big or small heads. So it does come with 2 combs in the front, or 3 combs in the front, excuse me, 1 comb in the back and the adjustable straps, and it does come with a little bit of lace, which I won't be utilizing, but in case you want to pull it up. And this is a 13x6 frontal. It is pre-plucked, as you guys can see here. So I am going to go in and bleach the knots, and then now I am back with you guys here in this clip to go ahead and style this hair. I am going to be flat ironing this, as this is 26 inch straight hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my heat protectant and get to flat ironing. I will try to leave the products that I'm using besides the hair in the description box, but sometimes I forget, so that's why I make sure I show it to you in the video. But I will try my best to remember. But anywho, you guys are going to be able to see what I'm doing, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm going to let you guys watch me style this unit, and then of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts on this hair. Okay, divas, so I had to come to you guys standing up because as you guys can see, the hair is so long and I still can't even fit it all in the frame, but it is pretty long. So I wanted you guys to be able to see the hair while I was giving you guys like my impressions on the hair, if that makes any sense. So that is why we are in a different setting, and I actually like it, you know, like I like to be able to show you guys like how long the hair is actually falling. And I'm very short, so that's why it's falling so long. So yeah, but anyways, this hair is gorgeous, you guys, and it has all the density that a girl like me dreams of. Okay, like this density is absolutely amazing. I forgot the exact specs, but I will have it down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. But I absolutely love it. This hair is just like so freaking soft, so gorgeous. I absolutely love the texture as well. So although I did straighten it out, it does have like a little bit of texture, which I think if I would have used the chase method, it would have taken it out. But I wanted to flat iron the hair without any chase methods or anything, so I could see like how the hair is and how it performs like on its own. But yeah, this hair has some beautiful texture. Like I really love it, and although it has texture, it's not like too coarse or anything, so I really do like that. But overall, this hair is just so freaking pretty. Like I love it. I am loving all 26 of these inches. Okay, it goes past my hips, but that is because I am short. So yeah, but so if you are, okay, so I'm 5'2", and I do have a shorter neck. As you guys can see, like I don't have like an average size or normal size neck. It is a little bit shorter, so you can gauge like how it would pretty much fall on you, because maybe on somebody who has like a normal size neck, or not, I'm not gonna say normal, like maybe like a neck that is larger than mine, longer than mine, the hair may come up a little bit depending on your neck. So I just wanted to make that clear. But overall, I love this hair. I absolutely love the 13x6 frontal as well. Like it's so nice, and I love it. Usually I'm intimidated by frontals because of my hairline, but I figured out a way to like really just install it and make it work for me. So yeah, I really like this hair, divas. Like I would definitely recommend it. I would definitely say she is a must-have. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description box below for coupon codes or any type of discounts. Make sure you guys check down there for that. This hair is reasonably priced in my personal opinion. So yeah, overall I'm happy. I'm really happy to be doing this collaboration because this hair is amazing. I love it. I know this is definitely going to be my go-to, especially like for winter time or any time that I just want to slay. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.